Within today's automated warehouse and manufacturing environment, a lot of the issues are centered around communications. You have a lot of racks, you have a lot of steel, you have a lot of moving parts.
The infrastructure of the facility can be very difficult for wireless networks. You can move from indoors to outdoors, and your systems need to be prepared to make those adjustments.
It's such a dynamic environment. Things are moving everywhere. You have inventory moving from one location to another, machinery moving from one place to another.
What the Rajant Kinetic Mesh does is it allows you to get around those objects that would create communication issues over time. Rajant has fixed and mobile devices called breadcrumbs. You're able to tie in video, sensors, handheld devices, and there's no downtime. The advantage of working with Rajant is we are able to work in a greenfield or a brownfield type of environment. We can include your wireless access that already is there. We're able to extend that reach. It affords you the opportunity to reduce the amount of nodes that you would have to put up.
We developed a warehouse mounting system that allows you to mount the breadcrumb and the antenna to a single platform. You're mounting a single piece of equipment to the I-beam overhead, thus reducing the overall installation time and installation cost. We developed a magnet-mounted antenna that allows you to mount the antenna directly to a forklift or any piece of equipment inside of a warehouse. That allows you to maintain connectivity as the vehicle moves throughout the facility. You're moving from one access point to the next, and it's a seamless transition. The ES1 IS2450 is our explosion-proof enclosure. In areas where there's flammable gases and vapors present, it's designed to contain the explosion in addition to prevent sparks from making it outside of the enclosure.
Other vendors in the wireless world are performance-based. They really try to maximize the amount of bandwidth that they can give somebody at the expense of their packets. That connection will begin to suffer as you drive away from the access point. With the Rajant network, with its reliability-based core, as you begin to stretch links, you won't notice a degrading effect. You now have the reliability of the breadcrumbs on the vehicles, extending your network, and also having connectivity to your fleet management system. Utilizing BC Commander, we're able to monitor and configure any portion of the network. BC Commander is really a strong tool for live viewing. We can present all sorts of metrics that help you visualize what your links are doing.
So if we look at automation, the thing that happens if you don't have effective communication is they stop. With the Rajant Wireless Mesh, that really gives us the ability to give these companies that have issues in their warehouse the effective communication that they require.